Hi everyone, I'm just creating this video to show how I opened this box of a brand new Toshiba electric vacuum cleaner from the 80s, the model VC-222. As you can see, I just found a real Toshiba electric vacuum cleaner, really rare and hard to find. So I'm really excited about this. Let's be really careful. As you can see, this is the first time that we open the box. It's everything new. It comes with every accessory that you can see here. Carpet floor brush, telescopic extension tube, hose, main body, accessory set. Everything that comes in an unopened. As you can see, I'm not gonna take out all the plastics, so it doesn't lose any value. Everything is brand new. It's the original extension tube, everything as if you were in the 80s buying a new one from the shop. This is the main body, never touch. As you can see, this is the manual from the original Toshiba. It's in English. This is a really rare found. So this is a only chance. It just happens once in your life, you know. This is crazy. Feel like I'm in the 80s buying from the shop. All the brushes, you can see, never touched, never used. This is made in Japan, so it's the 80s model from Japan, really. All brand new. So I'm gonna post this on YouTube so you can see the real state of the vacuum cleaner. I ship worldwide, so just send me a text, and if you are interested, we can talk each other and see how we can work out this deal. Thank you everyone, have a nice day.